carried out today in Thoubal district against the scrapping of the 150-year-old adultery law by Supreme Court. The rally, organized by Women Against Crime, kicked off from Camp Blooming School. It will culminate at Thoubal Bazaar. A man was found dead at Tabung Khok of Imphal West this morning. The police are yet to ascertain the identity. Manipur government has put in place all preparation for observance of Khongsom Day on April 23. A full-dress rehearsal for observance of the Khongsom Day was held at Khongsom War Memorial Complex in Khevasing, Thoubal yesterday. Thoubal Deputy Commissioner C. Haubam Rosita reviewed all arrangements being made for Khongsom Day. She inspected the venues including the Martyrs Memorial Hilltop, Pongna Memorial Foothills, Khongsom River, Sankirtan Pandal, Man Pandal, etc. For the second time, the Grow Green Grove, Manipur today planted tree sapling in and around Lainingthok Sanamai Kiong at Seloi Lamaiting in Imphal East. Wushu Association of Manipur today felicitated its newly elected office bearers at Singsamai Singamathak residence of Imphal West Wushu Association President Ngangbam Roshan. More than 25 people were reportedly killed and 280 injured as simultaneous blasts hit 3 churches and 3 hotels frequented by tourists in Sri Lanka on Easter Sunday, official and police said. The blasts took place around 8:45. The Easter Sunday Mass were in progress in church. The Election Commission has decided to register FIR against the presiding officer and micro-observer deputed in 8 polling booths of West Tripura Lok Sabha seats where booth capturing had been confirmed. Heavy rain accompanied by strong winds hit several spots of Nagaland yesterday afternoon. In Dimapur, a number of trees were uprooted and power supply lines were also snapped at several locations. Amidst uncertainty over alliance with Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress is likely to release the list of its candidate for 7 parliamentary seats in Delhi today. The list was finalized by party President Rahul Gandhi yesterday. Myanmar Supreme Court will deliver its ruling on Tuesday on the appeal of 2 Reuters General imprisoned for breaking a colonial-era official secret law, the court said yesterday. According to Bangkok Post, Than Jo-ung, a member of legal team representing the journalists Wallon and Kau So-u, confirmed the date, saying the team and family members of the men would be traveling to the capital, Nay Pyi Taw, about 370 kilometers north of Yangon to Athens.